Enjoy the Guinness later on, isn't it?
So I'm sat here with Clare Dillon, who do you work for Microsoft Ireland?
Yes, indeed.
Microsoft Ireland. And what's your job within Microsoft?
So I work in the developer and platform group, and basically I work with all the communities in Ireland. To be honest, the job is around getting out training and information to the breadth developer audience. So it's basically all developers in Ireland and Northern Ireland as well. But a lot of that is working with the community leads and the user group leads and helping them find speakers and get their events up and off the ground.
Great, yeah, because I'm over here today at the Irish Microsoft Technology Conference. I'm going to be doing a live meeting session this afternoon. Looking forward to that, and we're going to put a bit of round table in there as well. So we've actually got a really packed few days here.
Yeah, no, I mean this is probably the most ambitious of the conferences yet. This has been running for about 3 years. For the first year it was mostly all developer content, and then last year they started introducing some SQL Server content because one of the guys had started up a SQL Server user group.
Yep.
But this year now they've got like all the various different topics covered, right? All from the usual dev kind of topics right through to things like live meeting and SharePoint and small business server and all those kind of things from an IT perspective as well. So it's great turnout, it's amazing.
Yeah, fantastic. I'm really glad to be here. It's really, really nice. And 2 days ago I was given my MVP.
Oh, congratulations! That's brilliant. And it wasn't an April Fool's.
It wasn't an April Fool. No. I thought it was for a minute, but it wasn't. So this is my first sort of lecture, I suppose, as an MVP. So looking forward to that.
They should have got the shirts out in time. You know, we should get you a big MVP badge now so that you get.
Yeah, I'm not sure about that one. So how many days have we got here? Is it 3 days?
Well, it started, we had a kind of an opening night last night, but really it's 2 days of actual content. So it's got 4 tracks, 2 days, running today and tomorrow, and we've got speakers. We're all going out with speakers tonight. It was also happens to coincide with a networking group called Tech Club this evening. So it should be a good night going out tonight, and that's for startups and independent folks that work in the industry here in Ireland. So yeah, so it's a packed schedule really, so it's great.
Excellent, yeah. I've never been to Ireland before.
No way, it's your first time?
It's my first time in Ireland, obviously first time in Dublin. Really, really pleased to be here. And, you know, I'm really impressed to see how Ireland works as a whole, the island of Ireland, which just makes complete sense. And, you know, interesting to see all the different user groups that you've got as well.
Well, it's a huge group of them, and it's great to see the way that they all work together. Because what happened initially was that people were starting to set up user groups, and then they were kind of, you know, saying, well, you know, I'll run it this week, you run it that next week, or whatever. But it works very well to have folks that are kind of local. So there's people based in all the big cities who actually help the special interest groups bring their speakers there, so that there's always someone local on the ground who knows about the hotels to use, and you know, people to ask along and things like that. So it works brilliantly, and they all cooperate, and they all get on really well, so it's fantastic. Yeah. Well, I'm interested to hear what your thoughts about round table are actually, because I mean, this is something that I haven't been familiar with. So.
Round table, I do love it. Really nice. It's a great product. I really want to get hold of one.
Yeah, that'll be good. Do you know when they're going to be available, like to partners?
Well, I'm pretty sure they're available now.
Right.
You know, I think they've been available pretty much since the end of 2007.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I mean, we could pretty much get hold of one now, but you know, we're waiting for the live meeting 2007 rollout to start properly in the UK.
Right.
That's personally what I'm waiting for. It's going to happen really soon right now. And as soon as that starts happening, then I'll be getting hold of a round table, so I can go out and get it out there to some of my customers that we've got. Because it is a great thing, and people, you know, what personally I would like to see, and I'm sure it will happen eventually, but what I would like to see, at the moment it's obviously only works with live meeting or with OCS. Personally, what I'd like to see, I'm sure in the next year or so, we're going to get imitators come along, and we're going to get new products coming out there that are copied by other organisations, other vendors.
Sure.
So when that happens, what I'd like to see is some kind of openness in terms of being able to integrate it with other applications.
Yeah, I mean it's such a fantastic piece of hardware and you can see possibilities above and beyond what the live meeting is. So I think
absolutely. But it's more than just a video. It's more than just a video. It's actually like an IP phone as well.
Yeah.
You know, there's so much to it, and I'm looking forward to getting that in the demo later.
Great. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it too. I'm sure End is as well. Unfortunately, we didn't get to show it off to its full potential last night. So End back in the office. We'll be ready to stick that right in there now.
Yeah. I've been chatting with him earlier on the session, on the live meeting thing, so we're all hooked up.
Oh really? You did a test run?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah, so,
I'm going to have to pop in and have a look at that.
So yeah, I'm looking forward to that, and thanks very much for your time.
Not at all. Thanks for coming over.
Well, thanks for asking.
I hope you enjoy the Guinness later on.
I enjoyed it yesterday.
Very good.
I'm sure I'll enjoy it today as well.
Great, thanks Chris.